Today we will be testing the Concord Plus indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Concord Plus indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 57 different strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 758 indicators, with 305 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And we've also retested in the advanced testing 13 of the winning indicators. 7 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the Concord Plus indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I did go in and turn off a few of the components of this indicator. So it looked originally something like this here. Now, first and foremost, this indicator has a lot of different components all built into it. And so a few different ways that you can use this indicator to trade with. Now, on the creator's page for this indicator, the creator has a picture of the indicator, a chart with the indicator on it, and you can specifically see that there is a bar coloration for this indicator. And so for some reason, I was not able to find the bar coloration in the settings. It seemed like the bar coloration was on, but it didn't seem to do anything. And so what I determined was that the bar coloration was coming from the cross of these two lines right here. And so you have the faster line, a slower line, kind of a standard 2-line cross type setup. And so anytime these lines crossed, which actually coincide with the histogram that was up here originally, then it gave a short or a long signal. Now that histogram and everything else with it kind of cluttered everything and made it real hard to see, which is why I want the bar coloration, or wanted the bar coloration. But again, wasn't able to get that to work on screen. And so I went ahead and turned off the histogram and a few other components on this to get just these two lines right here. And again, there are some remnants of some other pieces of different ways of using this indicator. But what we are looking for, again, specifically are just these two lines crossing. So when these two lines cross, when the faster line crosses down below the slower line, that is a signal to go short. When it crosses up above the slower line, that is a signal to go long. So that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal right here. You can see that we get a little bit of consolidation, then a push to the upside. These wicks right here come up just far enough to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a short signal right here. Again, you can see that cross of the two lines, and we get a really nice drop to the downside immediately after that cross, which does come down and get us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so some rapid fire action there. So let's see, we get a long right here, just stopped out after just a few candles as we flip to a short right here. Then we get some consolidation. We flip back to a long, stopping us out on that short. That long gets stopped out immediately after we pick up a short right here. Then a little bit of consolidation, and we get a spike up and a cross to the upside. Long signal there does come up and finally get us to our take profit. So right now we're just down one losing trade, but no telling where this is going to go at this point. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so before we take a look at what this was able to achieve over the 1 year of testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. This is our Patreon only channel specifically. And this is set up just for our patrons to be able to take advantage of some advanced information that we post in here. This is our admin, Jay. He is posting regular futures trading, regular futures analysis, doing a really great job on the futures market. And he will put up these charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, and areas of interest that he's looking at, where he's looking to take trades, entry, exit, take profit, whole deal like that, explaining exactly the thought process behind what he's doing and why he's doing it. It's a lot of great information that he is posting here, and if you're looking to kind of take the next step in your trading knowledge, your trading journey, I highly recommend that you check out his stuff. We also have another member, Sasquatch, is an awesome Forex prop trader. This is an example of one of the charts that he threw out there. He's got quite a few. I think he's been sick the last couple of days, so he hasn't been on here. But for the most part, he's on here pretty much every single day, putting up charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, where he's marked out areas of interest, just like our admin Jay does on the futures. Sometimes even where he's looking to take trades, the whole deal. A lot of great information that he's putting out there. And so, again, if you're looking to excel your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join us here on our Patreon only channel. Take advantage of the great information that they're putting out for everyone to see. All right, back to our indicator here. So quite a few trades within the 1 year's time. go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So we have 33 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. 17 winning trades. So got close to that 60% criteria, but just wasn't quite able to make it. Definitely gave us quite a few trades, and I think that's kind of where it got a little problematic. It seemed like it was just kind of throwing out trades at every little turn of the market. Now, sometimes that is decent because it does catch a lot of these kind of small, subtle changes in trend that you can definitely take advantage of, but other times it can be a little problematic as it's throwing out clusters of losing trades while it's trying to catch which direction the market is actually going in. And so that's kind of what this does, just threw out these clusters of trades before it could finally figure out what direction the market was actually trying to head in. And so, all right, that's it for this one. It's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.